And he's a really fast runner, aren't you?
Yeah.
Fastest runner in your class?
Yeah.
Here we go then. RAW files, on the other hand, are completely different. Let's pretend for a minute that all of the little pieces are the settings for your camera that we can apply to an image. The hair's blowing about a little bit in the wind. Mine does that occasionally as well. You can actually see the depth of field running through the image. Hi, I'm Bernie Raffe, a professional photographer and teacher based in the UK. Today's cameras are just fantastic, aren't they? Apart from their wonderful image and build quality, one of the great things about them is their enormous number of features and settings. One of the not so great things about them is their enormous number of features and settings. That's the problem, isn't it? There's just too many options to choose from. If you're just starting out in photography, it can be difficult to know just where to start. And if you're an intermediate photographer and, say, already familiar with your camera and settings, the chances are you're missing out on some of the hidden gems tucked away inside the camera. And these could really help you to improve your exposures, your focusing and general image quality. For example, see how a change of shutter speed can turn an ordinary shot into a great shot. Understand why it's so easy to get a completely white blown out mess in stage show images rather than nailing the exposure every time. Then use that knowledge for better exposures in other environments. You may take a photo and think the colours look okay, but are they really? Sometimes it's only when taking another shot with a different setting and then comparing them afterwards you realise you can get better colours. By watching this course you'll end up with a much better understanding of your camera's features and settings, and with a bit of practice they'll become second nature, allowing you to concentrate on those all-important creative aspects of taking photos. By its very nature, this is a slightly more technical course than in part 1 of Become a Better Photographer, but I'm sure these mildly entertaining lectures will help to make it a fun learning experience. So why not sign up now, watch a few lectures, and you should be well on your way to becoming a better photographer.